And once it is dried, all you have to do is just sort of tease these little score lines down. Oh, I should put that one down last. Just like so. Just like that. And you have a little opening end where they can grab and open. And this is the other end, just like so. And if you want to, you could glue this other side down if you would like. Right there. You could glue that down for sure. And then you have your little pillow box. And it's all ready to stuff. I think I'm going to put it down, put this down first and this down last, so that when you look at the front, it is all closed in. There we go, just like that. Very easy. You can stuff a little bit of cotton in there or whatever to go around your prize, or you can just put in little pieces of candy. This has a gold theme to it. The music is kind of in a gold shade. So I thought it just would be kind of fun, not necessary, but it would be kind of fun just to, oh, I really put that on tight now, didn't I? There we go. Whew. I wanted that sealed, didn't I? I'm going to put a little bit of Gilder's wax right here on the edges. And this is a bronze shade, which to me looks like antique gold. So it may not be really bright, but there is sort of this little bit of a shimmer there. It's very slight. Just go around all the little edges like so, just to give it a little oomph. Maybe you might have a much brighter gold, which would be just as wonderful. And just go all the way around. And I think it just makes the box just a wee bit more special by doing this. Okay, just on the edges there. All right, and it just gives it a little bit of a gold shimmer. I'm not sure it's picking up all that well here, but that's kind of a fun little thing that you could add to it. Would not be necessary, of course, but just would be a little extra to do. I did want to show you, though, that if you weren't able to score, get this Gilder's wax off my finger, if you weren't able to score these lines in here, you still can assemble it, you know, obviously. So you would just need to just sort of, it takes a little bit more work, but you could get in there, you know, and you can pinch it down pretty close to what it was, or to that line. Close enough, probably. See, it still stays closed. So it's not like you absolutely need to score it. It just takes a little bit more pinching and everything, but not terribly bad. And probably the larger the box is, maybe it would be easier. I don't know. I haven't done a large box this way. So, but anyways, you still can get it down in there. All right. Okay. So that's still possible. And on this one here, I just put in a little piece of ribbon that has this cute little peppermints on it, but you can put any kind of theme. You can buy little tiny bows. I think I've seen them like at the Dollar Tree or places like that. Put a couple of little tiny bows on it, would be really cute. I put on a shiny ribbon. This is a wire ribbon that you can buy this time of year, and I just put it there on the side, kind of put a little sparkle in it. So there you go. Easy peasy, and check out the downloads down below, and Merry Christmas. And please subscribe so that you can see other things that I'm up to. Thanks a lot for viewing. We'll talk to you later. Bye.